Every car begins its life as an idea.
But how does an idea become a machine? This is the hidden world of car manufacturing,
Where raw metal becomes moving art. Where thousands of parts learn to work as one. A place of precision, power, and speed. From factory floor to the road beneath your wheels.
every car starts as a sketch. Then rebuilt inside computers.
Where every curve is calculated and every line fights the wind.
Comfort is carefully imagined.
Even textures are engineered. Reality is built virtually, so every detail has a purpose. Only then, a real car is born.
Thousands of drawings.
Before a single part is made, now production begins. Every car begins, not as parts, but as giant rolls of raw steel. The metal is unrolled, flattened, and prepared with absolute precision. Before shaping, the metal is prepared. Then unimaginable force gives it shape. In seconds, flat metal becomes three-dimensional. A car door is born. Even the roof of the car is carved from raw steel. Each hood begins as a perfect blank. A hood takes form. Robots work without rest. Every millimeter is inspected. Perfection is measured in microns. Anything less than perfect is removed. Only flawless parts move forward. Human eyes still play a critical role. Thousands of parts wait for transformation. Next, they become a single body. This is where the car's skeleton is created. Each weld is critical. Steel meets steel. Then the sides rise. The roof closes the shell. Robots move like choreography. The rear of the car takes form. Technology watches technology. Thousands of welds bring strength. A body without skin.
Every connection is reinforced. Weightless strength.
Strength is added below the surface.
The car now stands as one.
The body is stressed before it ever moves.
Geometry is verified by machines. Silent, strong, ready.
Now it moves on to receive its skin. Before paint, every car must be perfectly clean. The body is submerged in anti-corrosion coating. Excess coating drains away. Heat bonds protection to the metal.
Primer creates the foundation for color.
Every surface is evenly prepared.
Now color gives the car its identity. Robots reach where humans cannot.
Layers create depth and durability. A clear coat seals and protects. Even microscopic flaws are corrected.
This layer creates the shine.
Liquid metal becomes visual art. Heat locks the finish forever. Nothing is missed. Every detail is examined. The surface is perfected. The car receives its skin. Each color tells a different story. The power of a car begins with a solid engine block. Every hole is drilled with extreme accuracy. The crankshaft is installed to create rotation. Pistons move to turn fuel into motion. Each bolt is tightened to exact strength. Every engine is tested before use.
Electric cars use motors instead of engines.
Electric motors are tested for smooth power. Batteries store energy for electric cars. The transmission controls speed and power. Gears transfer power smoothly. All moving parts must align perfectly.
Fluids keep the car alive.
The engine is joined with the car body. Nerves of the car. Wiring connects everything. Wheels are attached and the car is ready to roll.
The exhaust controls sound and emissions.
The heart of the car is complete. Inside,
The car starts to take shape with the dashboard.
Soundproofing the car for a smooth, quiet ride.
The digital brain awakens, bringing the car to life.
Steering control is installed, ready for direction.
The final touches inside the car add comfort and style.
Headlights light the way, completing the car's front end. Taillights are installed to signal the car's presence.
The car's voice and vision are tested for readiness.
Calibrating the systems for peak performance.
The car undergoes a water test, ensuring it's leak-proof.
Doors are tested for durability and smooth operation.
Final inspection ensures perfection. Diagnostics confirm readiness.
Alignment ensures that every part works in harmony.
The car is polished and ready for the road.
The car takes its first steps on the factory track.
The car is now fully assembled and ready for delivery. Performance tested at full speed. Ready for delivery. Completed cars are loaded onto transport trucks for delivery. The final step, sending cars to their new homes. Leaving the factory for the road. The journey continues tomorrow.